Hi there guys, very warm welcome. It's Simon at the DM Keith Motor Group. I hope to find you all well. I'm at BYD again today, and this has just landed in part exchange and I'm rather taken with it. 73 plate Toyota Yaris-Cross. So this is sort of a sat up version, lifted up version of the conventional Yaris, and it's the 1.5 VVTi XL trim level, finished in this gorgeous red pearl. I really got to say, with these solid wheel arches, it does look well. It's done very little mileage. It's done 9,700 miles. Strong self-charging hybrid, being an automatic. When the car rolls along or it's going down hills and things like that, a portion of energy is captured. It's stored in a battery under the floor of the boot there, and it's then used to drive the car along alongside the petrol engine, or solely under its own mush, as it were. You can push it along at pretty good speeds as well. It'll clip in and out as it needs to do, but you can't plug it in or anything like that. And I do like it with these really sort of solid arches. Nice convenience systems. I've got the keys on me. I can just hold my hand near the door. It recognises I'm there. And folding side mirrors. Lovely alloy wheels. Really, really smart. And it is, as I say, it has just arrived in with us. Front and rear parking sensors, colour camera on there. You can just make some of the sensors out in this lovely sort of chrome frontage. The little black bits there. But yeah, nice thing. 9,700 miles, in fact just slightly under. It was owned by a friend of one of the staff here, in fact a neighbour, I understand it, and they've come in and got themselves a BYD, brought this in. But it's lovely, and when I was driving it around, a lot of the time it was just doing it solely under the sort of EV power, as it were. This quilting finish on the seats is great, and then you've got leatherette on the sort of working edges, just to give it durability, but it's immaculately clean, I've got to say. Different drive modes down there, electronic hand brake, as it were, park brake, navigation, super job. We've got our colour camera on there. We've mentioned its speed because the doors open. Got a separate left and right dual zone, heated seats, obviously, things like that, and all manner of things like lane keeping, auto wipers, lights. 9,677, and they're economical. This one's displaying 52.53 to the gallon, and that's done very little work over its life. Very short journeys. Longer run out in one of these, you can easily get into the 60s with them. Have a look on the main website, dmkeith.com. You can pop the registration number in, it'll do a refined search. I've just done 40 photographs. Apologies, it was raining one minute, bright the next, gloomy the next one, so one or two of the photos may just have a little bit of a glare or a little bit of drizzle on them, but the car is superb. It really, really is, all the way around and throughout. If you wish to, you can reserve it, you can take it off sale, a completely refundable deposit. It's not committed to buy it, but it will reserve it for 72 hours with a £99 deposit, and you've got to come and have a test drive. It really does drive well. I think it suits it sat up on these wheels with these roads around here. I do, because, you know, they're not great, and it does iron out the creases in the road very, very nicely indeed. Bring your driving licence with you. Bring your part exchange down. Just grab the service history with it, and we'll give you a cracking price on that as well. We do look forward to finding a new home for it, and we look forward to meeting you very, very soon. Thank you for watching, guys. As always, take care from the group, drive safe, and all of the best.